There goes old Cody Odom about to hit the jump down here. That's a Phelps and Odom farm. There's Cody testing out this new little jump we got. Right here. You know, we just got done kicking the dirt on it, trying to build it up a little bit. There he is, speeding through the woods right there. Let's get back down here and see what he can do. That was pretty good. Here he comes for the last jump.